Hey everyone! Welcome back to App Melodies, your go-to channel for awesome app development tutorials. Today, we're going to create a super fun bike racing game in Android Studio Kotlin with ready-to-use source code. Sounds exciting, right? By the end of this video, you'll have your very own bike racing game up and running. So let's jump straight in. Step 1. Set up your project. First things first, open up Android Studio. Create a new project, choose Empty Activity, and set the language to Kotlin. Give your project a cool name like Bike Racing Game, and hit Finish. Boom! Your project is ready to go. Step 2. Design the game layout. Now let's design how our game will look. Open the activity_main.xml file in the res/layout folder. To save time, I've already written the layout code for you, no need to type everything manually. Just copy the code from the blog post, link in the description, paste it into your activity_main.xml, and you're done. This will set up the road background, the player bike, and the score display. Easy peasy. Step 3. Add the game logic. Alright, it's time to bring our game to life with some coding magic. Open mainActivity.kt. Here, we'll write the game logic, things like moving the road background, controlling the player bike, and adding collision detection. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Simply copy the Kotlin code from the blog post, paste it into your mainActivity.kt, and watch your game start taking shape. Step 4. Download images for your game. Now, let's make this game look awesome. You need images for the player bike, enemy bikes, and road backgrounds. I've prepared everything for you. Just head over to the blog post, download the image pack, and add the images to your project's drawable folder. This will give your game that polished, professional look without any hassle. Step 5. Test your game. Here comes the fun part, testing your game. Run the app on an emulator or your phone, and see the bike racing action in full swing. Use your touch gestures to control the bike, avoid collisions with enemy bikes, and watch your score go up. If something doesn't work right, take it step by step to debug. You got this. And there you have it. You've successfully built a bike racing game in Android Studio Kotlin with source code. I'm so proud of you. Now, you can customize it even further, add sounds, tweak the graphics, or increase the game difficulty. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to App Melodies for more fun app tutorials, and smash the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, check out the blog post in the description for all the code, images, and step-by-step details. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy coding! See you in the next video. Take care!